Oh, pag naubos tong batch up, really? Okay, punuin nyo to, ha?
Aster. I just want to say thank you again for a very successful event.
LaSalle, of course, top seed. And 2, followed by UP's 9 and 3 win-loss slate. Then, this is where it gets wild and tricky as...
Wala yun. Gusto ko tang tulungan.
Dahil sa pag-apaw ng Cagayan River, kaya problemado yung mga magsasaka. Inutang lang daw ng ilan sa kanila ang puhunan. Handa naman daw
ang sirkulasyon ng bagyo.
ABS-CBN's resident meteorologist Ariel Rojas is with us in the studio.
Let's take a smile as they pose in their sizzling swimwear.
Sayang. Okay lang yan.
Wala, tayo.
Okay lang yan, no? Ayun yung manukan. Kabit mo dito? Init na yung oil. Yung ulo rin ni Kuya JL mainit na.
So good that I finish it.
Pagdating natin doon, siguraduhin nyo, dalhin nyo lahat ng magamit nyo. Correct?
Pagdating natin sa camp, all of you will be given tent assignments. At kung meron man kayong problema, okay lang. You can approach us.
Na last night, sa screening Papaawel, yung mga malalapit na mall dito sa ating himpilan, 2, 1, yun na lang yung available na seat. Oo, pero dun sa napuntahan namin, kaya umabot kami ng Valenzuela kasi doon yung medyo meron pa sa unahan.
For our 3-course meal with only $50. Ano plan natin sa Kobo? So, ang plano, chicken wing.
To know that we are willing to help as much as we can in any way possible.
This event inspired me because not only does our church spread the word of God,